What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Wallet Monkey channel, where we give you all the tools you need to grow your wallet. Simple as that. So today, what I wanted to share with you is some recent seasonal store credit card data and leave you with a few questions. So let's dive right in. Pretty concerning because it would seem as though the tide has turned on store credit cards and the appetite for them has really plunged, right? And it makes sense because usually they have higher APRs and the terms aren't as good. But what a lot of people are looking for with those cards is what was the kind of status quo is that you would get a higher limit on those cards. So lower credit score and higher limits, but worse APRs and just, obviously a lot of restrictions because you can only use it at that store. With a lot of people now not shopping at stores, a lot of stores going under, a lot of restructuring kind of happening in the retail space, naturally, the interest in them should be lower right now, given the circumstance with the pandemic and whatnot. So let's go through these stats. Just 1 in 3 or 30% of consumers with a store credit card said they currently have any debt on that card, down from 49% in 2020. That's good in terms of from a saving standpoint. I see that as a positive. 29% of consumers would be more likely to pay with a store credit card this holiday season, while 21% said they would use the buy now, pay later financing, which we've talked about before. That's affinity and things like that. Nearly 4 in 10, 40% of people with a store credit card said they regretted opening one in the past. I definitely know that that's true for a lot of people, so that makes sense. Only 29% of consumers said they are likely to apply for a store credit card this holiday season compared to 44% in 2020. Other findings, 42% of consumers have closed a store credit card and an additional 13% have had a store credit card closed by the issuer. The main reasons for voluntary closures were no longer shopping at the store, that came in at 46%, and high interest rates came in at 35%. Now, to set the record straight, APRs are at currently 24.27%, which is up just slightly from 2020, which was 24.24%. Now, that is higher than the average for a normal credit card across the board. So what I'm curious about is, what are your plans for the holiday season? I didn't even realize it, but we're in October. We're a month away from madness kind of starting with Black Friday and Amazon deals and all that craziness. So are you getting yourself prepared? Are you getting new cards opened up for that? What's your holiday season game plan? I'd love to hear from you. I know that we've got supply chain issues, we've got shortages, we've got empty shelves. So have you been buying throughout the year, or are you saving it for November? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Like this video if you like the data points that we went over, or you just want to help us get this video in front of more people. Subscribe if you haven't already. A large amount of viewers aren't subscribed. Crazy, I know, right? Hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos, because YouTube will let you know right in your inbox, hey, new video to catch up on from Wallet Monkey. And we'll see you again real soon in a future video. Bye.